are to look for print or electronic resources at Valencia College, you'll start at the library catalog. If you're unsure how to get here, please watch a previous video on how to log into the campus libraries. From the library catalog, you'll start with Advanced Search. You'll see that gives us a few more options for customization. Now, if we're looking for books or ebooks, you'll make a few selections before doing your search. At the top radial buttons, you'll select Library Catalog. That ensures that you're just looking at Valencia's cataloged items. Then on the right side, under Material Type, where it says All Items, you'll pick Books. While we tend to think of books as being the print books, this will actually return search results of print and ebooks. From here, you can put in any kind of search term, search for the title of a book or an author. So for example, I will search for macroeconomics. And if I scroll down, it will give me my search results. Here on the left side, I'm able to narrow my search a bit more. If I am looking for print materials, I can pick which campus library I want to search. So for example, if I pick Osceola, that will just show me the actual print books that are on the shelf at Osceola. If you're interested in finding a print book in the library, you'll simply scan the titles, click on the title of the book that looks interesting to you, and here you'll have all information you need to find the book in the library. If you scroll down, it gives you your citation information, such as the author, the title, the publisher, and the date, a description of the book, as well as the table of contents. Once you're ready to find the book on the shelf, you'll look towards the top where it says Get It, and you'll see that it tells us it's at Osceola, it's in the circulating collection, and then it also gives us the call number. That's this alphanumeric code here, HC54. That is how all of the books in the library are arranged. So it doesn't matter who the author is, what the title of the book is, that call number is all you need to get started and find a book in the library. You'll notice at the top you can also email this record to yourself, you can print it, or get a link so that you can return to it later. I'm going to reset my search to our original set of search results so I can show you now how to find ebooks. As you look down the left, instead of choosing a library, we'll go to Availability, and if we choose Available Online, that will show us a selection of ebooks that we have access to. At Valencia, all campuses have access to the same ebooks, which is why it's not important to choose your campus when you're looking at this kind of material. You can then scan through the ebooks. You can still limit your search in a few different ways, for example, by changing the date that the book was published, by looking at additional subjects, as well as the author, which may provide some extra insight. Just like finding a print book, once you see something that's interesting to you, you can click on the title. Again, get a summary or sometimes the table of contents. And then at the top of the record, there should be a section that reads View Online, and it shows you what ebook database that title is present in. So if I click this link for eBook Central, it should open the ebook database in a new window. Now, I will say that we purchase ebooks from about a dozen different platforms, so the ebooks you find may not look exactly like the one that I'm showing you here on the screen now, but all of our ebook companies, their platforms have the same features and function in the same general way. So again, you can find the information for the book, so it's got the table of contents listed. And then you're looking on the left-hand side for some kind of option. In this database, it says Read Online, but in our other databases, it might say full text or something like that. Once you click that option, you can see that it just opens a page-by-page scan of the book. You can scroll through the book page by page, or you can go to the left-hand side and look at the table of contents to try to predict what chapter or section might be the most helpful to you. You can then go directly to that section and maybe just read those few pages from that chapter. You also have the ability to search within the book. So you can add some kind of secondary keyword. So we kept it very general in the catalog search and looked for macroeconomics. So here in the search feature within the ebook, this is where you can put some kind of subtopic. So what about macroeconomics are you researching? In this ebook database, all of your options are at the top of the book. So you can download chapters from the book by using the PDF button. You can see you can also choose your citation. You can print pages. This is probably the best way to download or print pages because you can choose a select range of pages, not just an entire chapter. And everyone's favorite option is this one here that kind of looks like a comic book talk bubble. That's the citation tool. Depending on the citation style you're using, you can find an MLA, APA, or Chicago style citation for whatever book you're accessing. Now keep in mind these are computer generated, so you'll still want to look over the citation before just blindly copying and pasting it into an essay or a discussion board post.